getting there. Got a flower right there. Cool. Watch your step. Zeus, what are you doing? Zeus does his business again. What are you doing? You don't want to hold those right now. Alright, well let's go and watch your step. Come on. Quit lollygagging around. Let's go. Hey, move it. Come on, Jack. Watching where you're going? Yeah, it's going to be tripped. You're going to be sore. Now I'm not holding anything. Papa Dog's the, taking the movies. Alright. Watch your step coming through these trees here. Watch it. Whoa. That was dicey. Alright, we're coming down here. Zeus likes to get a drink of water down here. Hi, Zeus. Watch your step. You're not watching where you're going. Put them down. We'll pick some more flowers down at the bottom. Okay? You know, it's enough for you just to watch where you're going, see? Watch those chunks of wood and stuff.
Okay.
Be careful. Coming down. Follow Zeus. Follow Zeus right there.
Okay.
You can see it was a wash where the water came down. Right there. I don't know if...
I have a wooden nose.
Do you?
Yeah.
Well, you can just blow it out your nose there. It doesn't really matter.
I have a cold.
Now it's allergies. Zeus, don't hit that road, mister. Have a drink of water, buddy. Watch your step. Have a drink of water, puppy dog. There you go. He's having a drink of water right there. In the little spring, see? He likes to get in the spring and drink his water. He's a good pup. Alright, this way out to the road. Come on. Go ahead, watch your step. There's a little bit of a down thing there. Zeus. Ooh. Alright, come on.
No.
Zeus. Stay with Papa Dog. Zeus.
Stay with Papa Dog.
Zeus. There's a little bird in there somewhere. There it is. Don't know if you can see it or not. Alright. Here we are. From Upper to Lower Coyote. Zeus. Come here. Zeus, come. Come. Sit. Sit. Good pup. Say goodbye, Isabel.